Alright guys, so today's plan was to go fishing. We didn't get up this morning and head out to the lake due to weather conditions, but it's sprinkling a little bit. I think we're going to be able to head over to the river. I got my buddy Corey and his girl Tori.
I was about to say I'm not your buddy.
Headed over here to meet us. We're going to go back old school with some beetle spins. What started it all. See if we can't catch some panfish in the river. There are some bass in there. And I don't remember if y'all watched my video from last year when I lost a bowfin. Maybe I get a redemption, I don't know. But I'm going to put on the GoPro with the chest mount and see if we can catch some fish. And for those of y'all who have never met the beautiful Sam Ryan Lee, that's my wife. Say what's up to the YouTube world.
Hey.
Ready to catch some fish?
Yes.
Who's gonna catch the biggest fish?
Me.
Who's gonna catch the most fish?
Me.
You just gonna be better than me at everything, huh?
Yes.
We're down here at the river. Got everything squared away. We're about to wet some hooks, hopefully catch some fish. See y'all on the chesty. All these deep pockets and stuff, that's where you want to try to cast your beetle spin into. Okay, I'm coming.
I don't want to hang out with you no how.
So my boy Corey just showed up at the river.
What's up?
Sam says she's gonna catch the biggest and the most fish. So
Oh yeah, we'll see about that.
stay back here. No, I'm saying you can stay up here, but they're probably gonna be hugging close to the rocks and stuff. So just cast to them pockets like that. But if you walk up there, you're gonna push them off the rocks. So stay back here. I know. What's wrong? Oh.
I figured it out. It's like, look.
Oh yeah.
It's like, you see it?
Mhm.
Well, you can't just pull that through it.
Really.
Reel that.
There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Oh! There's a fish right there in front of you, babe. He was following your damn lure at the top of the water.
What are you talking about? It's right here.
I know, but I'm saying your rod tip was like close to the water, and that fish came to the top.
Well, don't try to take my fish then.
Zebco 11. Trying to think. What's that? An open face reel? Oh yeah. I like that 6 or 8 pound test Mr. Crappy line. Yeah. Oh yeah. That's what I have on this pole, is that 8 pound Mr. Crappy line. Oh man. Dang. Great. So how many fish did we catch, babe?
Big old goose egg.
Well, we didn't have any luck out there on the river catching any fish, but definitely was a sight to see and had a good time. Since I am about to get back into fishing, I want to get some practice with like B-rolling, some beats and stuff like that. Get some interesting intros in, you know, instead of just, you know, me telling you guys I'm about to go fishing and out there fishing. Just something I'd like to learn, practice, play with. So I'm about to do that right here. You guys let me know in the comments if you guys like it. And I appreciate you guys tuning in with me. I'll see y'all next time.